Alright, we got a box. Somewhat similar build to one of these, just larger and hardware. That's all I'm gonna say. There, I think, is 2 different models. I'll just say them. I think it's FireX ADCs and FireX ADs. Pretty good deal, actually. There's a lot. Alright. Probably easier if I just did this. This is an 80, I can tell. Ooh. Button feels weird. I'm gonna do this with one hand, it's kind of hard. This is an 80, I think. Yeah. I'm just gonna try and find an ADC that came out. Another AD. 1997. Another AD. It's another AD. Here's an ADC. No, it's an AD. Alright. Looks like an ADC though. One over here. This one's yellowed. I know this one's an AD, I think. Yeah. A little bit yellowed AD. 97. This is something. Another AD. I thought they were ADCs. I guess they're ADs. Really good packaging, actually. Here's another somewhat yellow one. AD. Here's another AD. They didn't come with bases or harnesses, but I don't care.